Twin-star electric fireplace troubleshooting, easy fixes and tips. To troubleshoot a twin-star electric fireplace, first check the power source and ensure the unit is plugged in. Then inspect the remote control batteries and reset the unit. Twin-star electric fireplaces add ambiance and warmth to any room. Like all appliances, they can occasionally experience issues. Common problems include the unit not turning on, heating issues, or the flame effect not working. Before contacting customer support, perform some basic troubleshooting steps. Ensuring the fireplace is plugged in and the remote control has working batteries often resolves minor problems. Resetting the unit can also help. Regular maintenance and understanding common issues can keep your fireplace running smoothly. This guide aims to help you troubleshoot effectively. Twin-star electric fireplace, common issues. Twin-star electric fireplaces are popular for their efficiency and design, yet they can face some common problems. This guide will help you troubleshoot these issues. 1. Power problems. 2. Heating issues. 3. Remote control malfunctions. Twin-star electric fireplace basic checks. Troubleshooting your twin-star electric fireplace begins with basic checks. These simple steps can solve many common issues. Let's explore 2 key areas to examine. 1. Power source verification. 2. Fuse inspection. That twin-star electric fireplace resetting the fireplace. Twin-star electric fireplaces are known for their reliability and ease of use. Sometimes your fireplace may need a reset to work correctly. Resetting can solve minor issues and restore normal function. 1. Resetting instructions. 2. When to reset twin-star electric fireplace cleaning and maintenance. Maintaining your twin-star electric fireplace ensures its longevity and efficiency. Regular cleaning and maintenance prevent issues and keep it running smoothly. Below are some essential cleaning and maintenance tips for your electric fireplace. 1. Dust and debris removal. 2. Regular maintenance tips. Twin-star electric fireplace, dealing with error codes. Dealing with error codes on your twin-star electric fireplace can be challenging. Error codes help you identify specific issues quickly. Understanding these codes and knowing how to resolve them ensures your fireplace works efficiently. 1. Common error codes. 2. How to resolve errors. Twin-star electric fireplace. Flame and display issues. Electric fireplaces are great, but sometimes they have problems. Twin-star electric fireplaces might show issues with flames and displays. Don't worry, you can fix many problems yourself. This guide will help you troubleshoot common issues. 1. Flickering flames. 2. Display screen problems. Twin-star electric fireplace sound problems. Experiencing sound problems with your twin-star electric fireplace can be frustrating. Unusual noises and sound system issues can disrupt the cozy ambience. This guide will help you troubleshoot sound problems effectively. 1. Unusual noises. 2. Sound system checks. Twin-star electric fireplace. When to seek professional help. Troubleshooting your twin-star electric fireplace can be a straightforward process, but sometimes you may need to seek professional help. Knowing when to call a technician is important for safety and efficiency. 1. Identifying complex issues. 2. Finding a technician. Frequently asked questions about twin-star electric fireplace. Why is my twin-star electric fireplace not turning on? Ensure the unit is plugged into a working outlet. Check the power switch and remote control batteries. Reset the circuit breaker if necessary. How do I reset my twin-star electric fireplace? Turn off the fireplace and unplug it. Wait for 5 minutes. Plug it back in and turn it on. Why is my twin-star fireplace making noise? A noisy fireplace could mean loose components or dust buildup. Tighten any loose screws and clean the unit. Can I leave my twin-star fireplace on overnight? It is not recommended to leave it on overnight. Always follow safety guidelines and manufacturer instructions. Conclusion. About twin-star electric fireplace troubleshooting your twin-star electric fireplace can be straightforward with the right guidance. Follow the steps outlined to ensure optimal performance. Regular maintenance and quick fixes can extend the life of your fireplace. For persistent issues, professional help may be necessary.
If you want to know more details, then you can visit helloTroubleshooting.com.